All right, all of the teams here have some really high scores in their back catalog, and it looks like the Red Alliance takes an early lead by controlling their switch out of the autonomous period. But the Blue Alliance, autonomous from across the field, moves into position to take over the scale in the middle of the field. Well played, Kel Robotics. And then their teammates, the Circuit Runners, follow that up by continuing to place power cubes on the scale in the middle of the field. The Blue Alliance owns their switch. The Red Alliance owns their switch, but it looks like RoboBib and their robot Fetch is having a little bit of problem getting those power cubes onto that switch, and they do it. There we go. Red Alliance and Blue Alliance battling back and forth for ownership of this scale. The scores are neck and neck as the Blue Alliance owns the scale and giving them a slight advantage in earning points. The Blue Alliance hits the 100-point mark with 90 seconds to go. The Red Alliance hits that 90-point mark with 85 seconds to go. It's anybody's game as control of the scale is going back and forth, back and forth. Kel Robotics places another power cube on the scale in the middle of the field, but the Blue Alliance is owning it and staying strong as they own their switch as well. The Red Alliance now takes control with the power-up. They're able to take control of that scale for a few seconds. That's going to give them a good point increase and help them catch up. Now the balance goes back to the Blue Alliance as they continue earning points for owning the scale as well as their switch. The Red Alliance owns their switch. The Blue Alliance owns their switch. And the Blue Alliance, by owning that scale, continue to raise their points to 190 and counting. The Red Alliance reaching 170 points as we approach that 30-second mark. There it is. There's 30 seconds to go, and it's anybody's game because this is a close one. The Red Alliance owns their switch, but the Blue Alliance owns the scale and their switch, giving them a distinct advantage with 15 seconds to go. Not many robots are on the platform yet. Will anybody get up there and pull themselves up to the boss with under 10 seconds to go, with 5 seconds to go? 3, 2, 1. And it looks like Kel Robotics was able to pull itself up high enough to earn those bonus points and face the boss. Columbus Space Program definitely tried to do it at the end, but we're not able to. Close match. Check out the scores on the big board. Who won? Blue Alliance takes the first round in this semifinal match. Remember, it's best 2 out of 3, but right now, Kel Robotics, Leotex, and the Circuit Runners are going to have a distinct advantage going into that second semifinal match.